These are self-closing tags. So you add the / at the end of the self-closing tag right there. Now that is optional. As you can see right there, it'll work either way. One last thing you may be wondering is why didn't this H2 line up right next to the H1? Why did I get a brand new line? Okay, and we're going to learn more about that in CSS and why by default these tags, these text tags will occupy their own line and they won't kind of line up right next to each other. And if you're curious about it now, you can right click using your Chrome browser. If you right click and you hit inspect, it's interesting, you can actually see, you can visualize how the browser renders this. Okay, and what's interesting is that it's showing that with this HTML tag, it's going to occupy the entire space, as you can see with that blue graphic there. Okay, whenever I hover over that right here in the HTML. And if you're curious, this inspector basically just shows you the browser's interpretation of the HTML that is being loaded on it. Okay, so there you go. You can see all of the code we've written so far right here. And we're going to use this tool down the line plenty of times, so we'll get a lot of practice with it down the line. But there you go. This is a little bit about typography. And as you can see, the browser does render by default the text to be looking like Times New Roman font, and it's usually black on white. So we're going to be able to use CSS to control the font, the size, all of that stuff, the positioning, as we learn more going forward.